Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this PENTAX-M f2 ASAHI Optical Corporation. This is a lens that's a 50 f2. So this is the front, this is the side, this is the back. Focusing is smooth, aperture is smooth and functional. Okay, comes with a cap, rear cap and front. Okay, so you can see the glass. We're gonna do a shine test. Alright, there you go. If you like this lens, you can let me know, I can sell it to you. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you everyone for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye, God bless.